Hello kids, have you ever wondered how water is used every day in our lives? Today we will explore the amazing uses of water and why it's so important for everyone on earth. We use water every day to drink, cook, clean and grow plants. It's essential for staying healthy. Farmers use water to grow the food we eat. Without water, we wouldn't have fruits, vegetables, or grains. Industries use water to create things like clothes, paper, and even the gadgets we use. Water is a home for fish and other aquatic creatures. It's also important for maintaining our planet's climate. Let's briefly talk about the uses of water. Domestic uses. We need water to drink every day because it helps us stay strong, healthy, and full of energy. Cooking yummy meals wouldn't be possible without water. It's like a secret ingredient. Water helps us keep everything clean, from our dishes and clothes to our homes. Taking a bath or shower with water keeps us fresh. Plants love water too. We use it to help our garden grow big and beautiful. Agricultural uses. Water is essential in agriculture because it helps crop grow. Plants need water to absorb nutrients from the soil and to stay healthy. Industrial uses. Factories use water to make goods like paper, clothes, and electronics. Water is used to make electricity, like in hydroelectric power. Environmental uses. Water is home to fish, frog, and water plants. Ocean and rivers help keep the Earth's temperature balanced. Recreational uses. People swim in pools, lakes, and beaches where the water is refreshing. People enjoy boating, fishing, and visiting water parks to have fun in the water. Since water is a limited resource, we must conserve it by fix leak to stop water from wasting, use water saving tools and appliances, don't waste water while doing daily tasks. Save water, save lives. Save water, save lives.